Do you want to know how the new Odoo pricing really affects you? Hi, I'm Shabir Marjan, founder and CEO of Pragmatic Tech South, leading provider of Odoo business solutions and applications. Recently, we had a customer who came across the new pricing and he was really confused about the pricing. So we helped him understand the new pricing, and with the insights we shared with him, he was really happy to discover that the new pricing is really going to help his business and make the pricing much less for him than what it was before. In this video, I'm going to share the deeper insights with regards to the new Odoo pricing. I will also go over how the old pricing was, how the new pricing is, and how the overall the Odoo pricing works. So, as you may or may not be aware, that Odoo has a differential pricing model based on the geography and demographics. So their pricing in the United States, their pricing in Europe, their pricing all across Africa, India, other countries is very different. And it's more based on per user per month model. Now, how the old pricing really worked was in the old pricing model, you would have an easy way to explore Odoo on Odoo online, wherein you could have a single app for one user was absolutely free of cost. So it was very easy for you to try out a CRM online and not pay anything for a single user. But if you wanted to add your entire organization to use one app, then you would pay a price per user per month plus an app fee. So you could use CRM, you could use HRM, accounting, for every app you needed for being used on Odoo Online, which is Odoo's cloud. You would pay a fixed price and then you pay per user price. And the third option in terms of pricing was very similar to this, but then you could actually host the Odoo app either on odoo.sh or on your own server. Again, the similar pricing model. There was a pricing for per user per month, and then per app you would pay. So this model was great because it really allowed you to actually have, depending on how many users and depending on how many apps you're using, you basically essentially paid. But what Odoo did is they analyzed quite a lot. They did a lot of research. They compared their app with other companies such as Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, HubSpot, Salesforce, some of these leading companies. And then they realized that actually, if you're using these systems, they are solving only one part of your problem. And then the price per user you are paying to them is quite a lot. And Odoo wanted to really redefine, and I think the way they have been doing things is disrupting the marketplace. They actually arrived with an amazing pricing model. In this pricing model, uh, what is really happening is with this new pricing model, you would actually be able to actually get a lot of discount and will have the power to actually use all the apps. And I'm just going to go over with the new pricing, which I think is really amazing. Yeah. So with the new pricing on the free tier on Odoo Online, you can pay nothing and you can use one app for unlimited users. How amazing is that, right? So if you just want to use a CRM, but you have unlimited users, you can use absolutely free of cost. So this is really a good way to explore Odoo. Maybe you can use only one app, like, but you can grow into more apps, right? But it's free of cost, unlimited users. I think that's really awesome. And the second tier of pricing with Odoo is the Odoo standard price, which actually allows you to again be on Odoo online platform, the cloud platform of Odoo. But you can actually add more users. So if you have more than one users, you can add. So it's a per user per month pricing. But the huge change here is now you can use all their apps. So there is no more per app pricing. With one user per month pricing, you have access to all apps. And I think this is the game changer according to me, because uh, now with all your using getting access to all the apps, it's really making your organization very powerful. You are able to actually get access to all the apps, and I think everyone needs all the apps to run an organization efficiently. The third tier of pricing, which Odoo is calling as the custom pricing, is mainly if you want to deploy Odoo on odoo.sh or your on-premise. Now with that, the pricing is similar, but this is more suitable for companies and it's higher price compared to the standard, but it is more suitable for those companies who are into, who need multi-company or who are needing integrations with external APIs, or companies who require a lot of tailoring and, customization or using third-party apps. So their pricing per user is a little higher than the standard, but I think this I think is a great way where you can actually have a differential pricing based on the number of users, the kind of tailor requirement which the customer has versus people who want to use Odoo out of the box. So all in all, I think it's really a win-win strategy, I can say, for consumers. Now, this is mainly for the new users. Now, the good thing what Odoo did was for what they did for the existing users also is really amazing. Actually, about 40 to 50% of the users in Odoo actually will get 30% less pricing now with their current subscription, which is really awesome. So, overall, the Odoo price did not increase, and actually it decreased for them. And for customers who already have more number of users and more apps they're using, Odoo has made sure that their pricing remains the same. So Odoo not only brought new pricing with the new version for new customers, letting them take advantage of this new pricing, but also for existing customers, Odoo has actually made sure that their existing customers are not paying anything more than what they are already paying. So I think an amazing game changer, I can say. I think Odoo has been described in the Fabian's vision and strategy keynote at the Odoo Experience 2022. I think Odoo is going to explode, and we're looking at more and more businesses, small, medium, large, trying to adopt Odoo, use Odoo, and make business running a business very easy. If you really like what I just shared with you, I request you to kindly share within your network. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll be happy to answer them. I will see you in the next video.